If you drank your red wine like somebody in an infomercial, you need to know how to clean those wine stains from your carpet. So what you want to do is take some Dawn dish soap and hydrogen peroxide, dilute it with some water, and pre-spray the whole area. Now you want to go ahead and blot everything up. You don't want to smash it into the carpet like there. You want to make sure you blot it. If you press it too hard, you're just pushing it into the backing of the rug. So gently dab the entire stain so you can transfer as much of the stain onto a cloth as possible. As you can see, the more you repeat the process of blotting, the more of that stain will leave the carpeted area. Now, if you want to take a microfiber cloth and soak it in a little warm water to help eliminate soap residue and whatever stain is left over, that is a great thing to do as well. But that's pretty much it. And of course, if you have an extracting machine like one of these ones, obviously after blotting the stains, use that. But a lot of people don't own those machines, so if you don't, just keep blotting until that stain is completely gone.